go. Swapping from that. Yeah, they're all filming me. They must recognise me. It's nothing to do with these cars. I'm going to bloody smoke you now. Go on.
Yes, sir. Go.
What gear are you going?
What gear it in?
I don't know, what gear?
6th gear?
Nah.
What?
3rd gear?
3rd? Come on then.
3, 2, 1, go. Did you forget to go?
What?
Did you forget to go?
No, you spoke to.
No, I didn't.
I just swear to God.
Do it again then.
I'm in rain mode though.
Alright, yeah, that might be the difference.
Right, go on.
3rd gear?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. It was different that time. How far ahead did I get at the start?
A little bit.
Thank you.
Well, the bike ran more left.
I'll let you win. Yeah, anyway, where are we going? We're not going anywhere specific, are we?
Should we go to Newquay? Have you got to be back?
Have I got what?
You got to be back.
No, no.
Should we go to Newquay and then see if we can be asked to go to our roundabout?
Yeah, let's do it then.
I'll just go to Newquay.
Yeah, okay. When are we swapping?
Eh?
When are we swapping? On the way back?
After some cool bend.
Alright, okay.
What, you want to ride it really?
Yeah.
I bet you don't want to ride it. No, I don't mean after you've rode it for 10 minutes, I bet you think it's shit.
I've got to do it for the fans. Swapping from that.
38 and 35, are you joking me?
What are they on this?
Mine is.
$43.
What?
Jesus.
What is it though?
43 and 34.
I'll have to alter your mirrors.
Yeah, that's alright. I've had to alter yours. Oh, it does feel weird. Straight away, Mark, I feel like I don't know, like a shark, like leaning proper forward.
Shit in it.
No.
Look, bit and next bit, look. Not with them chicken fucking food.
Need to get rid of these turkey twizzlers. Are we just going straight to the roundabout?
At the top?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bloody hell, there's no turkey twizzlers on that one. Did you say we're going to have an earpiece on Tuesday?
Yeah, but she never mentioned that though. I must have seen it. It feels faster than my bike.
That feels faster than your bike, the grey one you mean?
Yeah. expensive.
Might be because of that bloody exhaust.
It's so comfortable, this bike.
Yeah, it is compared to this. The seats rock hard on this as well.
Yeah, that doesn't bother me though. Do you want us to just go back before we get any further now and change it?
No, no. It's mint, this bike. Shit.
Shit, man.
We need to get air in the tyres. Look at that. She's low. Oh, she don't trip over. Oh, he's got his sleep alones on.
Wait, how can you do it?
Pay with your card, I think. Does it feel soft?
Go back a bit. Right. Forward a bit. Nice.
Can you pay by card?
It only takes, what do you call it?
Is it still on from there, go?
No,
What does it take?
only takes cash.
Shall I just go in and tell them and we haven't got any cash and I'm desperado for it? They must have tokens for that kind of thing.
Just buy the cheapest thing. What can we get?
Yeah, I've only got a card.
Eh?
I've only got card.
Yeah, just pay for the get something on this card.
Yeah, no, but you can't get change in cash.
No, buy something. Alright, yeah.
Clicked, innit? Right, I'll go and speak to them.
But just buy something and get cash back.
Right. Right, mate. We desperately need air in one of the tyres, and... Alright, okay. Thank you. Cheers. That's like the kind of... Shall we just drive off now with the 50p he's just give me?
What did he give it you?
Yeah. I just begged him. That looks handsome. That looks
What did he
handsome.
say?
I just said we desperately need the air in one of the in the tyre.
Yeah.
And he just looked at me, gave me this, and went, "Oh, go and do one, mate."
Wait, he didn't even speak?
I don't know, can't remember if he spoke. I was just in shock that he gave it me for free. That's almost as good customer service as BMW. Plymouth BMW. What are you putting in the back?
It's the back's alright.
You're leaving it at 40?
Yeah. 42 it is, isn't it?
No, 40.
Go on then, put it's 42. Do this thing.
Look at that. Oh dear, look at that one. Oh, missed them.
You've got the key back.
Oh crap, yeah.
Just come near it to start.
There you go. Your startup screen's slightly different. Is that a 45 or a 35, that Mercedes?
I know, it's nice though.
Yeah, it is.
45 is, yeah.
What did you put the front tyre to? 33?
36.
Yeah, it's only 30.
Eh?
It's showing us 30. Gloves update. They've stretched
See now?
a little bit. What, they took the little one?
No, that big massive brick one.
No, no. I missed she. Yeah, back to the gloves update. I've stretched them and they're a lot better. That palm slider gets on my nerves. Grabs them there. You suit no turkey twistlers, Mark.
I suit no turkey twistlers.
Yeah.
Just don't make me laugh.
We'll see about them on Tuesday.
I don't mean that. I'm the one that's always had no ticking mark till I got that bike.
Got to go to wherever these cars are going.
They'll just be doing laps of the Newquay.
Don't know if everyone's looking at them cars or looking at, oh look, she's filming me, because I'll come up and meet you. Yeah, they're all filming me. They must recognise me. It's nothing to do with these cars.
No way. Where are you?
Yeah.
Behind me? Oh.
Mobile phone 1 connected.
Oh, connected back to the thing then.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
Bloody
they're
is
chatting
that?
about you, boss. They've recognised you.
They must think you're me. Look at them all taking cheese. Look at them here. Oh, look, everyone's taking photos of me. I can't believe how famous I've got. Oh, I tell you what, it's hot in this helmet. That's a bit better. Don't know. Evening. Don't know whether I'll keep that in. Might keep it in. Might not. Ah.
Mobile phone 1 connected.
Not for long.
Oh, bad.
What?
It's gone off.
Oh, it's not.
Yeah.
Did you stall it?
No, it's just
Mobile
gone off. It's
phone
fine.
1 disconnected.
Right.
Christ.
What's your test?
Have I just passed my test, did you say?
Yeah. Or do you only ride that thing in the rain?
I borrowed it. I'm gonna bloody smoke you now. Once he moves out of the way. Knob! That bike must be faster than this. I know.
Just that way, get scared of it.
Yeah, I was then.
Get ready to go on, go.
On 4th gear?
4th gear.
Yeah. Go on.
Mark, get set, go.
What makes a massive difference is I didn't have to change gear then. I've seen you changing gear twice.
I don't know what this car is coming. Right, go on 3rd gear.
Third gear. Go on.
Ready, mark. Get set. Go.
I reckon I would have had you then, but I got scared when the front wheel came up a bit. The front wheel felt like it came up a bit and I got scared.
Vulture. What are you in now? Fifth?
I'm in third still. Fifth gear.
Right, on your mark.
There's the place. Get set.
Go. That was my fault.
That was your fault?
Yeah, I've got across you. Just do it to 100 from 50 now.
In fifth gear?
Yeah.
Why is that light come on?
Right.
On there, on the dash.
Because you've not got the key.
Ah, right. What is it, so 50 to 100?
Yeah, on your mark. Get set. Go.
That's 100. And
Nothing in it.
I'm heavier than you though.
Yeah, you got fucking 60 horsepower more, whatever it is for you. Vulture.
Did you, heck?
Put it in first gear now.
First gear?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Is it in first now?
Yeah.
See what it can do in first gear.
Fuck the gearbox up.
Oh,
97.
no way.
Yeah.
Get out of the way. Oh, the police are there, man.
I hope that recorded. It looked like your leg was going to snap off when it hit the floor.
You know why?
Why?
Caught on the leather.
Oh, did you?
I think so.
Ah, well. What we'll do now is a quick demo of the cruise control. Switch that over there. That there. And you just press that up and down. And that, yeah. And that's your cruise control. Easily done. Switch it off. Done. Goodlin, if you ever watch this video, I'm sorry for not calling when you was making tea.
I'm sorry I'm late.
Yeah, I'm just a little bit later than I thought I'd be, but that's just normal. That's just expected. So I'm sure that whatever you make was going to be really nice, and I'm sure it'll be nice heated up. Anyway, well, that's going to be it. That is it. Thanks for watching, team. Have you got anything to say, Mark? Oh shit. Yeah, they bloody stalled it. Yeah, that's it. See you next time.